The single greatest financial opportunity that has ever happened in history is happening right now to me, to you.
Easy millionaire secret.
When you're giving, you will receive.
Hi, my name's Preston Brown. I have 12 small businesses here in El Paso, Texas.
Consider you guys all family. You have to know which mark you're aiming for.
Everything you do in life, you're going to give energy.
Then I said, you know what? There's got to be several of these, and I wasn't giving them 20 points arbitrarily. I wound up giving them 20 points because there was a total of 5 of them. The next one, sex appeal. If somebody's smiling, they're better looking than somebody who's not, okay? If somebody's beautiful, put them in your advertisement. You don't go take your ugliest cousin and make them do your advertising. However, reverse sex appeal works. We did make a video one time and it was a lot of fun. We made a video and we had a handsome guy, we put a wig on him and made him pretend to be a woman. He made the ugliest woman on the planet. So reverse sex appeal wound up being funny, it wound up being humorous. It was a current event based on stuff that was in the news. It went viral. And this is a formula for how you go viral. So sex appeal, reverse sex appeal works too, 20 points. Controversy, love him or hate him, our last president, good old Donald Trump, got elected the first time because of controversy. Now, it's a double-edged sword because love him or hate him, Joe Biden got elected because Donald Trump had too much controversy in the 4 years he was president, and people literally voted against him, and he lost. Not trying to make a political statement. In fact, poly means multiple and ticks means blood-sucking arachnid, so I don't care about the politics, but I want you to know controversy is powerful, but you can overuse it. So be careful with that one. Also 20 points. And last one, brand and call to action. Everyone wants to be part of a tribe. And so I wrote this one down, brand and call to action. Well, what did I want people to do? I wanted people to come inside my homes. I wanted them to show up, walk in the door, take a look around, see what I was delivering, see what my competitors were delivering when they went next door, and then run back because every time they walked in, they would buy it. I just couldn't get people to walk in. So I made this marketing grading scale and I said, how do I influence people? How do I influence people? And I wrote all these things down. And then I found a gal that was willing to help me with this, told her my plan. She took a picture in front of one of my houses with an A-frame sign. We've all seen them. It was a little A-frame sign. Normally the realtors put a little arrow. You're gonna go find their model home or where they're marketing or whatever. So we dolled her up in a pretty red dress. I think it was called a romper or something. She stood in front of one of my homes, posed, and she did it with this sign. Of course, in the news, Jeffrey Epstein was all over the place. So guys, we hit 110 out of 110. We had 40,000 views within an hour. This is by far a little more controversial than I would normally recommend. But let me tell you something. If you're about to go out of business, you don't care. And at that point I was. I don't recommend you going this far. I just want to give you an extreme story so you know kind of the limits. Sex appeal, we had a beautiful woman. We had a sign that alluded to walking inside the house, but the way that it sounds when you say it is a little something else, okay? Controversy all over the place. Let me tell you something. I don't worry about the controversy too much because the haters, we got haters. Everybody who was sexually repressed blew up the post. They talked so much smack on the post that it blew up, it went viral. Everybody that wasn't sexually repressed that had a sense of humor, they got curious. They were like, man, I kind of got to see the house. It says come inside me, I want to go see. And what was my branded call to action? I wanted them to come inside the house. Humor for some, pissed off for others. It was heartstrings for others, right? Controversy, current events, sex appeal, brand, and call to action. I just wanted them to come inside the house. Guys, we went viral. We got 40,000 views. We sold 6 homes the next day. We got 40,000 views in hours. We had hundreds of thousands by the next day. People in Albuquerque and Illinois were asking us, hey, will you build over here? It's funny, because the other thing we learned is sexually repressed people don't buy houses. They probably don't buy much of anything. So you use that marketing grading scale, guys, you can go viral. You get 110 points. You don't have to spend money on a marketer. You don't need to push the post. You need to influence people by using what already influences them. So, what this means to you all. I've given you formulas, I've given you recipes, I've given you 7 mindset tips, 7 productivity tips, and 7 documents, guys. 7, 7, and 7. I want you to get the 7-figure business in 7 steps without the 7-figure problems. What this means to you, everything's a formula, everything's a recipe. Getting rich is easy. I hope you believe it. I hope I've proved it for you. If I haven't, Message me on Instagram, message me on Facebook, message me on TikTok. We are here to serve you. I also have a new opportunity where I am doing Clubhouse now, and I do a free room where we do business coaching. We do it every single Tuesday. We do it at 10 a.m. noon Eastern Standard Time, 10 a.m. Mountain Time, and I'm there with several other influencers, and we're teaching business, we're teaching branding, we're teaching you how to be successful within your marketplace. There's other coaching opportunities available I don't even want to go into. These are all the free ones. If you guys have questions, if you guys need help, getting successful is easy, getting rich is easy. I want you to know it's possible. And most importantly, I appreciate you guys having me here. I appreciate the opportunity to give and to serve. And I hope you all have an amazing day on purpose.
Follow me for more content like this. Have an amazing day on purpose.